making slime. So for our slime, we're just going to need some glue as well as our activator. I'm going to put it all in a cup, and then we're going to be able to mix it with our popsicle stick. I've also had some food coloring that we can add. Here we're just adding about 4 to 6 ounces of the glue and 2 teaspoons of the activator to start. You'll mix those together and then can add more activator as the slime starts to form. Once it reaches a consistency that you like, you can add in the food coloring as well as any other add-ins that you want. Some sequins are fun for texture, as well as some shaving cream is fun to make it more fluffy. Here the slime is still starting to form. And at this point you can mix it together with your hands so that you get to play with it, which is the best part of slime.